Alright, here go Lucy and Grandpa for an imminent, painful run down the hill. He's going to find the only jump on the smallest run.
Look at how big his feet look.
You're on camera, dude.
Hold on tight!
I got you. Here we go.
Whoa!
Okay.
Watch out for that jump. There's a jump at the bottom of that one.
Oh, you're welcome.
Here, I'm just gonna...
Good job, Grandpa. You stayed. Okay, you ready?
You do see that jump at the bottom, right? He doesn't see the jump at the bottom. Grandpa.
Okay. Let him find out the hard way.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, him I don't care about. Right for it. Yeah, see how many times I had to tell you.
That was a big jump.
What'd you